Well, I wish I could do a sound demo, but hey, I got flagged when I was trying to show the bi-amping to the RF7s. Well, I hooked up the RF7 twos to these monoblocks, and holy cow, I wish I could let people hear them. Of course, I listened to them without the subs, just the RF7s blasting, the Maggies off to the side. And I gotta tell you, man, they sounded really sweet. Anybody who says RF7 Series 2s are crap, just, they don't know. They don't know. Anyway, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Hope you're having a good one and people are enjoying you. Anyway, this is the Amazing Papa signing off.